We start with daily chart. Just want to give a quick update. Okay, as we can see, based on daily chart, after the price drop, we get this correction. Now, we want to see how we can look for this. Whether the price, how long can consolidate here? Whether we can get one more drop. That means this one can turn more complex correction or not. All right. Anyway, based on daily chart, we don't have any information. That means we cannot discuss more than what we just now I mentioned. And in this case, we move to lower time frame. All right. As we can see, based on forward chart, we had this running internal running flat and the price almost tagged the previous stop. And if we refer to the indicators, we don't have the divergence. All right. Now the question is, can we expect for continuation? Can we look for continuation or not? Okay. Because if we want to look for trade, we need to get the trade set up here. That means it's still we need to get the correction. That's why I'm expecting to get similar to what we have here. We look for the internal flat. That means still we can look for one move up, but as a short-term trade. Then from there, we'll see whether we can look for continuation or not. Okay. Anyway, based on forward chart, still we don't have any trade setup. And if we move to lower time frame, we want to see how we can trade based on lower time frame. Even based on lower time frame, we don't have any trade setup. The way is correcting. Okay. Now we're looking at this because we mentioned maybe we get if we get any correction similar to what we have here. That means if this one give us one more drop, then we can have this flat and we put this one in relative to this. Then from there we can look for buy. Okay, still we can expect this one continue and even retest the top, but we won't get any trade setup because even if the price, it doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here. It can, but the only way is to look for trade. Either we have an entry above the stop or we wait for the breakout flag with a sharp move. But if this one continues as a corrective, mostly we can trade based on lower time frame, like 15 minute by a small. I'm looking for the flag as a short term trade, but 1 hour chart doesn't show us any trade. All right, that's why right now we're looking at this. We want to get one more drop, at least retest this low. Then from there we can make a decision. But right now we don't have any trade set up. Okay, and even if you refer to the indicators, we see mostly we if the price continue from here tag the top without retesting the low, we will see the divergence. But right now we don't have it because we cannot consider because the price haven't tagged the top. Okay, that's why I mentioned we can expect this one to continue, but if the price tag, we get the divergence and we won't be able to get any trade setup here. All right, anyway, we don't have any trade setup. And if I move to 15 minute, we want to see how we can look for trade based on 15 minute. As we mentioned, still we can look internally, we can look for this one. That means still we can expect this one to move and tag the top, but for sure there won't be any trade setup. Anyway, we prefer this one give us one more drop, then we will look for this flat, then any reversal from there we will look for the trade. At least this is what we have to wait for if we want to look for a trade setup. Rather than that, even if there is a continuation, we won't get any good trade. Okay, because if there is a continuation, either the price can tag then drop, we wait for the bigger correction, or if we get the sharp move flag with the breakout of this, then we can look for buy. Or having entry above this can be an option, is but I don't suggest it right now because every time the price similar to what we have, a price broke the previous stop, start to correct. Okay, anyway, it's better we wait and we see what we get here. We wait for the correction for the trade setup. As I mentioned, if there is a continuation, we won't jump into the trade because if we move to forward chart, as we can see, even based on the forward chart, based on the correction, almost prices at the top. Okay, there is a possibility this one turn to bigger correction. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.